So all of the documentation, you have your revision history, static analysis, code review reports. These are all just part of the process that is just it's intricate, and it's what needs to be done in order to get the unit testing protocols and records. All of this will be submitted to the FDA. You're talking about integration level, software system validation, verification, all the documentation. I always tell people that these are quick little bubbles that just fly along, but weeks and weeks of documentation goes along with each one of these bubbles. I mean, it's an incredible process, and if you're doing it right, it all flows, and you do it one time, and maybe you go back and touch one or two of the items, depending on what the unit tests may find.
Thank you for watching another snippet from my presentation at the Medical Device Conference in Chicago. Remember, the processes and procedures are dictated very clearly by both the FDA and in Europe, MDR. General Digital is here to support you if you need your product to market faster, safer, and with less cost. Thank you. Contact me at the number or email on the screen.